Welcome to ACMEE TV. As a part of knowledge sharing sessions, let us welcome Mr. Aravind from Metchem Industries, who is associated with the ACMEE for a longer period, and also he was a exhibitor in ACMEE for many years. So let us welcome Mr. Aravind. Mr. Aravind, welcome to the show.
Thanks, Mr.
Can you tell us about your experience in exhibiting in ACMEE?
Yeah, my exhibition experience with exhibitors, experience exactly is like 2010. We started thinking to participate in ACMEE show. So we have been a member of ACMEE since 1918. So we thought we should do something new to promote our company as well. So we started manufacturing hydraulics in that particular year as a material. So we thought we start this business, and ACMEE has really created a good platform for us.
How would you rate your overall experience when it's painting in ACMEE?
I would say that from the first exhibition in 2010 was like mind-boggling. I would say 10 out of 10. Great.
What kind of visitors are you expecting, professional side and as well as from buyer side? What kind of exhibitors are you expecting to come into the exhibition so that your product can be, showcased to the people?
Chennai predominantly being an automobile industry driven economy. So many OEMs have set up their factories in Chennai and even around Chennai. So I'd like to see a lot of automobile industries come in and see how the industry is evolving.
Good to know. And what do you learn from other exhibitors in this exhibition? So I think for 4-5 editions you have been exhibiting. So what is your learning from other exhibitors?
So like see, one thing as an exhibitor is like very small. I actually come from an SME. Okay. So very small enterprise or medium enterprise for that case, they have an experience to know what not only the customers, also the suppliers. That you get to know a lot of suppliers also, what is anything in the market, what is anything in the manufacturing, and what is anything in the sourcing. Yes. So to be very honest, I would equally balance. Actually, like I got at least 40% of suppliers from the experience.
Excellent to know that. My question is was the same topic not there.
So 40% of my suppliers were from ACMEE exhibition and 60% of my customers. So I could say 60 or 40. So this is a right networking platform where you meet not only the customers, also the suppliers.
So how this exhibition has helped you to build this networking between this big supply customers and your suppliers?
See, like I tell one example. See, like on a year we have 365 days. You are given a marketing team to visit the field because nowadays there's a lot of protocols being followed post-COVID, the security reasons, and so many things.
Safety and security, yes.
With visiting a company, becoming an FAN task, and most of our working on about 8 hours, and there are their own families to be taken there. So also they have the targets to be taken there. Also, they have no time to really meet the customer, in the sense, suppliers in their office. So also, as a suppliers, we going to the customers is becoming a tough task. It's not so easy. In that 5 days, I think would be a mega thing for me, especially being an exhibitor. I think I get to meet a lot of people over in a normal course of time. I cannot give them in their offices. I know they're not in their own busy schedule. They are relaxed in the relaxed modes, and that the interaction is much better when it comes to exhibition.
So being exhibiting part of ACMEE for so many years, how would you rate the organization of ACMEE? How they help you to bring the logistics and the all the decorations or making the arrangements in right way? So how would you rate the organization?
Like I have grown up in the estate, so I'm an estate guy. That's where my dad started this company. And the exhibition is organized by ACMEE. It's like we are all closely related. Like it's like home, being at home. For me, it's like being at home, seeing a lot of my friends and a lot of my even the customers are sometimes they are also your friends, right? So there are all of
yes.
So you have that that 5 days of ACMEE is like Mela to us. The most celebrating time for industry stuff. That was that kind of scale they have won, and this time I know 15,000 square meters of exhibition space, and the new convention centers come up. This is going to be a blockbuster event.
As an exhibitor, what would you tell to the people who are all coming, want to come to exhibit in ACMEE, or who are all coming for the first time to exhibit? What is your comment to them?
See, in current trend, you see that there is a lot of sanctions and tariffs being announced by
Imposed.
by the US president now, and the world is looking at India. So, I think SMEs should experiment. See, spending money on exhibitions should not be the burden anytime, because there are a lot of
Should consider kind of an investment.
no, it's like not only investment, even the government is helping us. There's
Yes.
so much departments who are really funding for these exhibitions. You also get a grant of being an exhibitor. So people should take the risk of showcasing the product, be it a better product or average product or good product. So you start evolving it. So the day you start fitting a product, that the fit and feel the exhibitors see, and they give some suggestions also. So in a way, it's good also. For SMEs, I mean, my take on SMEs is they should not fear to exhibit. They have to be exhibitors. Going with the trend, we are compared to China, comparing ourselves to China. India is comparing ourselves to China. So to reach heights of manufacturing prowess, I think we all should start exhibiting.
Good. That's exactly right words what you said, and people should come in more enthusiastically to participate, and so that they can exhibit their own products to the world. And looking back, your participation in ACMEE, how it has changed your strategy in business?
See, there is always an upward integration or downward integration for any business. And I think we have done, and my that started as an art company, and the more participation we did in ACMEE, and we really fine-tuned our business model. We have increased a lot of products, and there is a lot of things which are also in the pipeline to expand.
Well, it's excellent to know that. Oh, when you exhibit, customer comes and tell you what is their next requirement, so that you can evolve by yourself and improve on your business sales. Excellent. Good to know that. See, if you could sum up ACMEE, ACMEE Expo, in your business, what will be some few words?
In my business, really, ACMEE takes a bit big credit in the sense, we as a company have definitely grown post exhibiting in ACMEE, and the knowledge which we have gained is enormous. And yes, my team equally is thrilled to be the ACMEE. Many things, my staff said, so when did the show start? So we are with so that kind of enthusiasm we have. And considering we are in the Gen Z generation and also Alpha generation, I think most of the Gen Z kids and Alpha kids need to join manufacturing. And sometimes not only technology is important, but I think that hands-on machine building or machine tools or manufacturing is required for everyone in this time. So I think somewhere we should feed the patriotism in our next generation, so that India still gains more and less.
Excellent. Nice talking to you, Mr. Aravind. You rightly said there are a lot of take on from the exhibition to the exhibitors, as well as to the visitors, as well to the Gen Z kids. So I hope this interview will help people to visit the exhibition and gain knowledge. Thanks for your words. Thanks for sharing your time with us. Thank you, Mr. Aravind.
Thank you.